Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So my son and I decided to stop and grab something to eat while I was out filming, and we found this place. It's called Marsala Bites. The food is absolutely delicious. Now, oh my goodness, if you love Indian food, we had to stop right then and there and give this place a 5-star. Everything was so fresh. If you love Indian food, Marsala Bites is the best place to go in Colorado Springs. Okay, now this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and Jean Home Decor, and more. So I'm going to leave you to the rest of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it today. I know we absolutely did. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Now we have quite a bit of collabs coming up, so make sure and head on over to my community tab, where there you'll find the calendar of events for November and December. Have an amazing day, guys. Amen.